Hello everybody, welcome to Wicked Awesome Gardening, and I am here at the future homestead. It's been a few days for you, a couple of minutes for me, because I just went into giving you a tour, and now I'm going to get into doing some cleaning. There is nobody else here with me today. It's just me, and I'm going to do as much cleaning as I can, like getting rid of as much of this junk and stuff as I can before my friends from my theater group come up in a couple of weeks. I'm gonna call tomorrow and get the dumpster delivered. Like, now that the snow has melted enough that we can get a dumpster in here, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'm gonna get all my friends here. We're going to converge on the house en masse and just pitch and toss into the dumpster. So I'm gonna make that as easy as possible for them, because they're just so wonderful to help me out by getting as much of this junk shoved into contractor bags and thrown on the porch as I possibly can. Okay, let's take a look at the kitchen before. So first off, we have like the top of a hutch here, and it's coming apart. This thing is gonna get tossed out, but for now I'm gonna move it against this wall, and we're gonna get all that trash out of there. The people left a whole bunch of food. That's all going away. Let's see, let's check a date on some of these things. Oh, it's stuck. Expires March 22. October 22. So this wasn't horrendously, this is supposed to be refrigerated, man. January 21. So the house hasn't been uninhabited for as long as I thought, because these had to have been bought in like 2021. So that says good news for my water pump and my septic system. Let's see. So we're going to get rid of all of that. The counter, for some reason, is wet. I don't know why, because there's no evidence I can see of any leakage or anything going on up there, so I don't know. But dishes in the sink, yeah, it's pretty messy and grody in here. And then you've got the living room full of stuff. So I'm going to see how much of this I can get rid of. Ready, set, go. Well, that's a good start. It was the 3.5 contractor bags full of stuff from this kitchen, but it's empty. Now let's see what I can do in here. First things first, window treatments going. Well, that was a solid 45 minutes worth of work. Feeling pretty good. I wish I could have gotten to this back room here that you can see is definitely a mess. I wish I could have gotten to the bedroom, which is a serious mess. But rather than focus on what I didn't get to, let's take a look at what is now cleaned out. We had 7 contractor bags from the living room and the kitchen. Let's take a look. And the living room. Obviously, there is still a ton of work to do here. I mean, just look at that. That's 7 contractor bags that I piled up today, plus the existing trash. That's still, a lot of that is loose and gonna have to be scooped into more contractor bags. Thinking this box of 20 is just a start. But that's gonna make it a lot easier for my friends when they come up. Just pick up bags, pitch and toss when this is all cleaned out. And I think I may hire someone local to come help me clean and scrub inside because wow, that's gonna be a lot. Yeah, house is much cleaner. It's definitely a start. It feels so good to be out here and doing this. So yay. And hopefully the next thing you see is us up here. Big group of us hauling stuff out of this house so we can get started on the cleaning. We can get the plumbing all set. We can get the electrical inspected. I think I could get it inspected now as long as I get that stuff out of that back bedroom. That will be another day because the sun is starting to go down. Once it hits that ridge over there, it's all going to be dark here. So time to go because power's not on, no lights. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.